Pablo, you like hairdressing, don't you? Yeah, you do. Clever West End hairdresser. Yeah. How much is Mum paying you, Pablo? Are you very expensive to hire? I think he's had enough. I think he might fly back to his cage in a moment. I don't think you're going to get the full set this time. Perm and all that jazz. Where are you going, Pablo? No, chomp the chair. You can chomp the towel, but not the chair. You're going to fly back to your cage. You're going to do a little jump. You're thinking about flying back, aren't you?
If I pull the towel, he may.
Well, don't frighten him.
No, not frighten.
Well, it would frighten him.
I've done it before.
No, chomp the chair, Pablo. That's part of the chair. Where are you going, baby? You can't decide where you're going. You can make a little flight there, can't you? You know you can. Yeah, way. Ah, yes, and a nice landing on top. Well done, Pablo. End of story. Yeah, yeah.